here's how you play Wheels on the Bus. So we've got the 3 black key groups, and then we've got the 2 black key groups. We're going to start in between the first 2 notes of the 3 black key groups, right here. And we're going to play this note very quickly, and then we're going to jump up to the note that's right in front of the 2 black key groups. That's the wheels, and then we're going to repeat this note, the wheels on the bus, and then we're going to skip this note and go to this note. So that's the wheels on the bus, go, and then we're going to skip this note and go to this note, and this note is on round. The wheels on the bus, go, round, and then we're going to go back down, skip this note, back to this note, and then we're going to skip this note and go back to this note, round. So the wheels on the bus go round and round. And then for the next part, we're going to go up to this note, the next note, and then we're going to repeat that, round, and then skip this note, round and round. And so we're just going this note, the note right before that, and then the note right before that. So the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. And then the last part is so the note that's in between the 2 black key group, and then the first note that we started on, and then the last note is the note that's right before the 2 black key group. And altogether it sounds like